The next thing we are going to talk about is how to build an audience on a site. For this we are going to use Google Analytics. When used correctly, Google Analytics can tell you how many requests you have received and how much traffic you get from social networks. If your CRM system is appropriately set up, you can also determine how much money you made and how much people bought. We sold 15 courses for a total of $4,800. By default, Google Analytics hides a lot of valuable data from us. You have to know what posts and what opinion leaders brought people to your site. That's where URL Builder and bit.ly comes in. These two tools allow you to assess the effectiveness of your promotions. I'm going to show you how to mark up your links for social networks. I will be using URL Builder first. Your first focus should be to choose the information that you want to popularize. For example, I want to announce one of my online conferences, like Digital Start Day. In the first field, we add the link to your page. Next, we have to fill in the necessary information for the campaign source, campaign medium, and campaign name fields. The campaign source is where the ad will be. A typical example of a campaign source will be a partner site, but we are talking about social networks today, so your campaign source will have to be a social network, like Facebook. The next step is to fill in the campaign medium field. Here we indicate where exactly on Facebook this link will be posted. If you want to post it in an ad, the CPC, cost per click, will be written here. You can even write down a personal page here or a company's page. And the last thing that we are filling in is the campaign name. I've chosen Digital Start Day, so I will enter that in just like this. After we pass it through the URL Builder, it will come out looking like this. Once you've got your link, it's always good to make sure it's short. To shorten links, we use bit.ly. Go to bit.ly, I recommend creating an account and logging in there via Facebook. Click Create a link, enter link, then click Create. Instead of a long scary link, we receive a short scary one, but we can customize it. For example, write Digital Start 2021. So now I have a personalized link that I can post in social networks, messengers, stories, etc. Now that you've tagged all your traffic sources, you can search for them in Google Analytics. Let's say I want to see how many people come to me from Web Promo Experts Facebook group page. Now I can.